Hi, I'm Alison with Unity Homes, and we're here today at a Zum in Fairlee, Vermont, and we're going to give you a tour inside. So I'm standing outside under one of our covered entries. This is a Port Orford cedar. You can see these specialty brackets for the Zum are an option over entry and all of our doors. So here we are in the 12x16 connector. I just came in the entryway here, and there's a garage door or door to the garage on the end here. And then this space is being used as one large closet. Sometimes it's used as two spaces, a half bath and a closet or laundry closet. And here they've kind of used it as one big closet for mudroom, kind of coats and shoes, as well as pantry space. Let's go into the main volume. So the main living area is one of the most attractive things about the Zum. You'll see these tall windows with transom windows above, and they are just begging to be looking out towards a view, whether that's forest or a lake or mountain views, even just fields. These windows really do a good job of letting in that light and capturing your views. One of the most recognizable features of the Zum is what we call the bump. It's a 6x12 area that creates a nook in the living room, and that can be used for a reading nook, some chairs, however you want to use it, but it does capture all that light through those windows on three sides. The dining area is nicely adjacent to the kitchen and a nice open area. And this is one of my favorite kitchen layouts, but it's only one of many kitchen layouts with the Zum. You can see it's kind of nice and cozy with this peninsula. There's also options that leave this space more open to the living area as well. So as we move from the main volume down to the hallway, I just want to show you this laundry room that's tucked in at the transition of the connector and the main volume, kind of across from the kitchen here. We've got a nice side-by-side washer and dryer, room for an extra refrigerator, a great storage spot. And as we go down the hallway towards the more private areas of the home, the bedrooms, I want to point out the wall-mounted head unit above me, which is where the typical location for the heating and cooling for the main volume. As we go down the hallway, the first door that we have here is actually the mechanical room, where we have the heating and cooling supplied by a Minute Air unit, which is a heat pump and energy recovery ventilator in one, and a heat pump hot water heater. Further down the hallway, we have a bathroom on this side. It's a full bath, and our first bedroom. My favorite thing about Unity Homes is how flexible they can be for adding your personalizations. And what the homeowner has done in this case is added a loft to one of the Zum bedrooms, which can be done by your general contractor to add a personal touch. In this case, they're using it for a sleeping space for their grandchildren and allows down here to be used as an office. The other secondary bedroom is right through here. The tall vaulted ceilings in here make it feel really spacious. So we get lots of questions about window treatment options for your European tilt-turn windows that come with all Unity homes. This is one option where it's kind of a surface-mounted curtain rod and some room darkening curtains. Those work great. So this is the primary bedroom suite. This is the 12x16 edition option for the Zum. They've used these great built-in cabinets for their closet solution. So here's our European tilt-turn window, which operates in the swing function like this and can open up. All of our windows do come with screens, and it also works in the tilt function. So by turning that handle up, it can tilt into the space, and this is secure from break-in. There's a really sturdy hinge at the top, and it allows air to come in at the top of the window. This is kind of your leaving the window open kind of option. And right off the bedroom here is the bathroom with an oversized shower. So this door off the dining room leads out to a patio. So there's this wonderful patio spot outside of the Zum. If your home was on a higher foundation or perhaps a walkout foundation, this might be a deck, but it can walk right around to the nice 12 by 12 screen porch. So the 12 by 12 screen porch is the perfect size for a small table or just sitting area. You can see this client has opted for the bottom half of the panels to actually be framed in, and they've included siding. That does a good job of blocking some wind. This is our screen panel, which can also, you can also purchase the glass panels that will swap out with these. Again, blocking some wind, not quite a 4-season room, but definitely extending it into that 3-season capability. The ceiling of our screen porches will come finished with a pine board ceiling if you choose, and can have fully wired electrical lighting and fan fixtures as well. The fan does a good job of keeping the air moving within here and can cool the space. Thank you for joining us for this tour of a Unity Homes Zum. We hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and check out our website at unityhomes.com.